Suppose y varies directly with x. Ooh, we have the key phrase, varies directly with x. So this means it is a direct variation equation. And y equals 35 when x equals 5. What direct variation equation relates x and y? What is the value of y when x equals 9? So we have a couple parts to this. We know one, we can use this equation to find our k. And we have our y and our x here in a relation so that we can find our k. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use this formula, k equals y over x, to find my k. So k is going to equal 35 divided by 5, so that is going to equal 7. That is going to be my constant rate of change. Now, it is asking what is the direct variation equation when it relates to x and y. So now I'm going to go to this equation. So it is asking for my y. So I'm going to have y will be my unknown. My k we know is 7, and my x is 9. So now all I need to do is multiply 7 times 9, and I will find out what my y will be when x equals 9. Okay, let's try another one. Suppose y varies directly with x. So we have y varies directly with x. And y equals 10 when x equals negative 2. What direct variation equation relates x and y? What is the value of y when x equals negative 15? So we have our two equations here. So we can go ahead and solve for the k. So first, to find our k is the y over x. So y divided by x. And the relation we are given is y equals 10 when x is negative 2. So k will equal 10 divided by negative 2, which will equal negative 5. So we know what our k is. Now we're just going to take the rest of our information and write an equation to solve for y. So now we're going to have y equals, the k is negative 5, and our x is negative 15. So all we will have to do is multiply negative 5 times negative 15. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. 75. So when x is negative 15, y will be 75. Now that you've seen a few examples, it's time for you to try some on your own. Head to Schoology and give it a shot. If you need any help at all, remember we have academic coaching in person and virtually.